Hey guys, we're working on a 2014 Sorento, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the brake slash taillight assembly on the inner lens. First thing you got to do is pop that cover off. So you see there's a little square notch. You get a flathead screwdriver, stick it in there. This pops out. Couple pressure clips, no big deal. Now we need to find this socket here. It's orange reddish in color. Turn it counterclockwise. It'll unlock, and then you're just going to pull this thing down. That's going to give you access to the bulb. You can see here's the bulb right here. It's a double filament. Push it in and turn it counterclockwise, and that's going to take it off. Should say on the side of the bulb what it is. And in this case, I don't know, it doesn't say. 1157. So then all you got to do, you'll notice that there's two tabs on the side. One's lower than the other, which means this has to go in a certain direction. Find out which way it goes, push it in, turn it clockwise, and it should lock into place. And then you'll notice on the socket there are tabs. You need to clock this in the right position so that it sits flush with the actual headlight or taillight lens. And once you get it there, you should be able to turn it clockwise and have it lock into place. These wires just keep going that way. All right, and then once it's locked into place, pretty simple. All you got to do now, just grab this cover, line it back up, and push it into place. It should just snap into place, and that's all there is to it. So thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe.